Craig Kotelnik with Boating Magazine, and this is the all-new 2021 Yamaha VX Limited HO. Now, the VX series is the most popular PWC in the history of the boating industry, and this is the flagship within that line. Let's take a closer look at what makes this PWC so special. Now, what makes this the top of the line is a 1.8 liter high output engine that we clocked out at about 62 miles an hour on the top end and had a ton of torque on the low end. It also includes a factory installed audio system which has two 4.5-inch speakers with built-in amplifiers. It also includes a color matched towable and a host of other accessories for a great day on the water. And speaking of a long day on the water, where are you going to put all this stuff? Well, there's plenty of storage on the VX. You've got a big front compartment as well as a glove box that's got plenty of space with LED lighting, a USB, as well as a 12-volt and a phone holder. And under the rear seat, there's even more storage. Now, this is a whole new deck, redesigned for ergonomics, so you've got a narrower seat as well as wider, deeper footbeds that include drains. Everything on the VX was well thought out, and that includes the handlebars. Everything you need to control the craft is right here, including ride, which allows you to decelerate or reverse with total confidence. You've also got TDE, which puts you at a slow speed mode and gives constant steering so you can maneuver in tight spaces without a problem. Another convenient feature is the no wake mode button, which you just press and it keeps you at the perfect speed for no wake zones without having to control the throttle. Front and center, you got the 4.3-inch LCD Connects screen. It's got tactile buttons, you've got shallow menus so it's easy to understand, you've got all your trip information, all your engine data, you've got a passcode to lock it out so you don't have to use a key fob, and you've even got customizable speed settings. Now, this isn't specifically a racing PWC, but it has the same running surface as the GP series, which has won just about everything there is to win. Combine that with the 1.8 liter engine and you've got some serious hookup and handling. So if you're looking for a PWC that does it all, from comfort to performance to convenience, you need to test drive the 2021 Yamaha VX Limited HO. I'm Craig Kotelnik with Boating Magazine.